Maybe if I go over here, we'll go your way. Do you mind if I like bump the fence or? Come on, bud. You're okay. Let's go. I'm not gonna shoot you. Is he gonna bite me, dude? And then I'll have a bandage on my toe like you.
Come on, man.
Wait. Spatula. Yeah. Yeah.
Like, I don't want to move. You don't give me away.
You alright? Oh shit. Did you go into the house, dude?
No. We got it again. No, dude, that rabbit was flying up.
Did he go outside?
Yeah. Where'd he go?
You think he'll chase him back into the yard?
Back over there.
Here, here, here. Here, here, here. 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 Good boy.
Where'd he go?
Did you go back in the yard when we weren't there? Did you see him?
No idea where that rabbit went.
Dang, maybe we should have just gone and bought a rabbit.